Okay, hello everyone. So today we'll talk about uh, how to start Autodesk Revit structure. So when you open your Autodesk Revit, you will see this page in front of you. Don't get panic. These are just tabs that you have done your project recently, and this is actually project tab. You can see how to open. If you click it, you will see the projects. You can open it from your computer by this tab. You can also start new project from here. These are just templates that are already given to you for easy access. Similarly, if you want to put something directly into your project, for example, if you are making any house and you need doors and windows and sofas and lights, things some things like that you don't want to waste your time on it, so you just go to families and you just put these things from here. They are already given in it, so that will make your work more easy. So as you know that we'll be doing Revit structure, so I'll just go to new and browse, and I'll go to C, local disk C, program data, Autodesk and arbitrary 2016. Here you have to choose templates. You click on it. This is actually when you install your Revit, these things are installed automatically, so you don't need to worry about them. If you want to work in feet and inches, you need to go for imperial, and if you want to work on meters and millimeters, so you'll go for metrics. So I'm going to go for US imperial, and here I'll choose structure analysis because I have to work on it. So double click on it and then click OK. It will take you to the template where we have to work. Here we are. So this is the normal view whenever you start your project. These are the tabs given, and there are different kind of keys. These are ribbons. You can see architecture, structure, systems. So we need to work on structure, so we'll be focusing on these things, beams, walls, columns, floors, things like that. Similarly, these whole things come in structure, and then you have foundation and reinforcements. These are other things. There is another thing which is very important, that is this tab. There is another one, properties. So both of them are normally shown when you open your project, but if you can't see them, you can go to view, and here you have user interface. You can switch on and off from here. Project browser gone, and properties gone. So if you want to switch them again, click on properties. You will see these properties. Actually this properties shows you that right now we are in structural plan, so it shows you all the things, all the details about them. Similarly, if you go to project browser, it will show you that what kind of right now we are in structural plan view, and if you go for 3D view, you just click here, and it will take you to the 3D view. If you have drawn something, you can be able to see it from here. Similarly, if you want to see that elevation, so you have east, north, south, west, all 4 elevations. You can click any of them and you will be able to see them. These are the levels. We'll talk about them later. So these are some of the interface things you need to know as a beginner. For understanding structure Revit, just stick with the videos and you will learn them. Bye for now.